Hello everyone. This is the first part of a video series on creating a web app interface. We'll start with a mobile welcome screen. After all, as soon as we open an app for the first time, we should be introduced and immersed in the app's essence. The layout will be publicly available, so you can copy it and paste it into your file. But don't think it'll be that simple. Styles and states won't be available for every detail of the app. You'll still need to work on some of them yourself. Well, let's get started. The app will be educational, just like our channel. Our logo will be just text, along with our channel name. I've already prepared a color palette, as you can see on the screen. Next, use the Frame tool, F. Select iPhone 13 and 14. Rename the frame to Onboarding or Welcome. Now let's set up the grid. Turn on Layout Grid. Columns help maintain rhythm and spacing on mobile screens. The main thing is to have more space on the sides than inside between columns. It's more convenient. Now fill the frame background with dark indigo and immediately add a style to it. Great. The dark background increases the contrast for the text and CTA and creates depth. Now let's sketch out our future button. Next, we go to Plugins and search for Icons 8, my favorite. Now we're looking for something abstract, a little cosmic. This was really difficult and took me quite a while. But now we've got this abstract look. I love it. Now it's important to write a headline, something welcoming, but also explaining how this app can be useful. Let's simply write, Master Skills Faster. It's a concise, highly readable summary. But the image itself doesn't look realistic. I want to add some glow, and we'll do that. Simply draw an ellipse and give it a layer blur in the effects. Set the value as high as you think is necessary, but I set it to 100. Great. Now let's add a subtitle and combine the title and subtitle in auto layout. If you'd like a detailed video about it, I'd love your support in the form of likes and comments. Okay, now let's outline another button. Optional, in case someone already has an account and doesn't need to go through this onboarding process again. Oh, and don't forget the app logo. As I said, it'll just be text, our channel name. Finally, time for buttons. We're writing the text for our target button and wrapping it in our favorite auto layout. Now we're coloring it with a gradient. And then we'll make a second button, which won't stand out as much since it's secondary. And let's not forget about styles. But we can't stick to just one button option, so we need to create different button behaviors for user actions: hover, active, focused, and disabled. Next, we move to the prototype and combine all these buttons using arrows. And I make a smart animation. It will look better than an instant one. And now we can see what our mini animation looks like. Click Present. Check the clicks and visual states of the button, and immediately test the UX, contrast, readability, accessibility, and response time. And I'll give you a hint that it's best to click on the area starting from 44 by 44. Home task for you. Create your own version. Replace the illustration and colors, but keep the styles. Add button states. Hover, pressed, disabled as variant structure. All elements using auto layout, creating a so-called container. Prepare a question. Which element is more difficult? Auto layout or styles? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It motivates me to keep improving.